And Deontay Holtz.
Now just holding on to the defense, not allowing the first 2 points para sa kuponan ng San Beda.
An outside shot, yes! Para sa tres! Back-to-back threes from Giovanni. All the 7 points of AU is coming from that man, but Ola Adiogun says, enough is enough. Makascore naman tayo. And the big man just really scoring at will inside. That was a good look by Giovanni to Cadavis. Hasn't scored yet. He tried to go inside kay Adiogun, nakuning Holtz. Ganda naman ang hanap niya kay Brian. Mike Sorella, nasa loob na kay Coach Jamaica Rin. Nilabas muna si Ice Reyes. Ang ganda ng fake ni Arthur De La Cruz. At yan na, unang 2 puntos ni Big Red Machine, Arthur De La Cruz. Giovanni telling Cadavis to give the pick. What a crossover by Giovanni. And the jumper looks good from Giovanni Halalon. He now has 11. I want to have what he had for breakfast, Coach AG. ABS-CBN Sports in Action. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtutok saan ka man. Sir, he wants to give Arellano another win para ma-sweep nilang elimination round series against San Beda, Braille.
Not just the NCAA, all kinds of basketball.
That's right, any league. Oh, wow. What a shot. Sorry, Coach AG, to cut you there.
Magaling talaga. Napakaganda ng tinira na yan.
Ganda naman nung bit-bit doon ni Raj Tongko, ni Yoyo pa. Makikita natin mamaya yan for sure. Is it?
But both teams, they love to run. Pero pakiramdam ko kasi mas malalim. They're foul. Pero yung steals na ginagawa ng San Beda dito, that's what keeping them and giving them this offensive energy. And look at that shot coming from Baser Amer. That's going to be the first 2 points for Baser.
That's right.
The isolation. I like this. Halalon versus Baser Amer.
But Giovanni Halalon, Coach AG. Tuloy. Joe Presbitero, the kick out, the outside shot is good. Naka-basketball kayo nung Monday. Baser Amer to Adiogun, balikan tayo, back and forth we go. Baser, hinaharurot, the spin by Baser, the drop pass, and Goga back-to-back baskets. Zach Nichols will check in their next dead ball situation. Deontay Holtz fires away.
Wow!
And yes, para sa tres. Ilista mo na pang 8 puntos ni Deontay Holtz today. Dapat lab yun kay De La Cruz. Nang hinayang ang dalawa doon. Halalon given all day to shoot for 3. Ilista mo na.
O, tatanong ko bukas para lang masagot kita. Kawawa ka naman eh.
Giovanni Halalon, the bus driver. Amer mula sa labas. Kinukuha ni Adiogun and Ola finally scores here in the 4th quarter. Amer still cold from the outside. That look to Arthur De La Cruz. Magsisidatingan naman ang ating mga manonood. Isang linggo pagkalipas ng Judgment Day. Oh, Eli Ongulo with that block. I haven't seen a highlight reel from Ongulo, but Allen Enriquez,
Especially starting with 7 straight points.